Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to download and install OpenVAS on Kali Linux and how to solve issue during the installation. First we need to download Kali Linux. Open your favorite browser, search for kali.org, hit enter, click on download. Here we have two versions of Kali Linux image and virtual machine. I want to install on virtual machine, select virtual machine. Here we have different type of Kali for virtual machine like VMware, VirtualBox or Hyper-V. I need for VMware download for VMware. It is the latest version of Kali Linux. It is start to download. I have already downloaded this version called Linux 25.4. When your download is complete, you will see this file called Linux 25.4. It is zip. You can unzip with 7-zip or WinRAR. Right click, show more option, extract here. It will take a few moments. Please wait. Now we need one other folder. Create one new folder, write one name for this folder. You can name it OpenVAS Kali. When it is finished, cut this folder and paste inside OpenVAS folder. In this step, open VMware Workstation Pro. If you don't have already installed VMware Workstation Pro, I have two separate videos for downloading and installing VMware Workstation 17 and VMware Workstation 25. These two videos available on the description. You can install any version you want. Come to File, Open. Find the folder we created before. It is on Download, OpenVAS Kali Linux 2025.4. Find this file. It is .vmx. Select and open it. Now click on Edit Virtual Machine Settings. Here we need to select at least 4 GB for OpenVAS, and also we need 4 or 3 processor. 3 is also enough. We don't need to change hard drive. It is 80 gig. It is enough. Select your network adapter. I recommend to put on NAT if you want to get internet from Windows, and also select USB 3, then OK. Click on power on this virtual machine. With this method, we don't need to install Kali Linux from scratch. We just configure our Kali Linux. It is already installed. Username is Kali. Password is Kali. It is default username and default password. With the latest version of Kali Linux, we have this problem. We can't see the mouse, but it works. I can see the mouse. If you want to solve this problem, power off your virtual machine. Come to VM. Come to Manage. Change hardware capability. Next. Here is a hardware. Select the latest version of VMware Workstation. It is 70.5 for VMware 17. Next, select alter this virtual machine. Next, finish, close. Again, power on virtual machine. Kali. Now we have installed the latest version of Kali Linux and we solved the mouse problem. Let's install OpenVAS. Here we need internet. If you put your network adapter on NAT, you will get internet from Windows. If you don't want, you can use external device. In this step, open terminal. First, make sure you have internet connection. Ping with Google IP address. Yes, we have internet connection. If you don't have internet connection, make sure to put your network adapter on NAT and also make sure you have internet connection. First, we need to update Kali Linux. Write sudo apt update, hit enter, enter Kali password, it is Kali. If you don't use the latest version of Kali Linux, you need to upgrade your system. You can upgrade with this command sudo apt upgrade. Then write y, then hit enter. I don't want to upgrade it because it is the latest version and also the upgradation will take a lot of time. In this step, write this command to install OpenVAS sudo apt install OpenVAS, hit enter, press Y. Let's close the library. We have a good view. Now we need to set up gvm sudo gvm-setup, hit enter. This command create one database and also it gives us username and password. Username is admin and password is this code. Copy and paste this password somewhere. Guys, if you get any database error, use this command. I will share this command on the description. You need to check your cluster version and you need to remove cluster version, again create a new cluster version. You will solve the database problem if you get. Now I want to write the username and password. My username is admin and password is this one. This step will take a lot of time. Guys, sometimes Greenboon installation will take time around 1 hour to 3 hours depend on hardware and network. When the Greenboon installation finished, type this command sudo gvm-check-setup, hit enter. It will take a few moments to show all the information about the OpenVAS installation. Is it okay or not? If you get this message, it is the same, your GVM installation is okay. It is ready to use OpenVAS. Now, write sudo gvm-start. You will get this address. Open your browser. It is Chrome or Firefox. Now, right click on this link, open link. First time you will get unable to connect. Again, refresh it. Our username was admin and the password is this code we copied before. Paste here, login. It means we installed successfully OpenVAS. For scanning vulnerability with this software, come to scan, come to task. Here I had to scan. For scanning new target, come here, select or click in this icon. Here we have three types of scan: task wizard, advanced task wizard, and modify. Advanced task wizard take a lot of time. Here we have some more options like start timing, and also we can choose port and some extra, but it takes a lot of time. Here I want to scan with task wizard. IP address or host name. Here write your IP target or host target. Just make sure you have permission to scan that system. Here I want to scan this DVWA website. It is host inside my Ubuntu. It is inside of VMware Workstation. Let's check the IP address of this system with fconfig. It is 10.10.11. I'm so lazy, I want to copy it and paste here. Start scan. It will take a lot of time to scan any target. Scanning is start. It will take a lot of time. When it is finished, you will see this done on the scan. After that, you can analyze your scan or your target. It is also this system, DVWA. Here you have a different result. You can check one by one. You can check the open port like 80.443 or HTTPS 21 and 22. 21 is FTP, 22 is SSH, and also you can check which application is installed on your target, your operating system. It is Ubuntu 25.4, and also you can check the other options and information. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. If this video is helpful, please like this video, and if you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content. Have a good time. See you soon.